Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Telegram Bot's easy guide. First, open Telegram, find Bot Father, and create a bot name and username. Next, copy the API token and store it safely. Then connect the token to a simple script or a no-code service to make replies. Finally, test commands and add basic error handling so your bot behaves predictably. Guide users with clear commands and friendly prompts so they know what to do. Program a /start message that explains the bot purpose and lists main features. Add inline keyboards for fast selections and fewer typos. Include a help command that outlines available options and a settings command for personal preferences. Test each command in chat to confirm responses are fast and reliable. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more guides. Quick recommendation: I use leak-proof meal prep containers that save time and avoid spills, perfect for busy creators testing bot features while eating. Check the description for the product link and other deals if you want to grab a set. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Optimize performance by switching to webhooks so your bot receives updates instantly. Keep user data lightweight and use SQLite or JSON files for small bots or a managed DB for growth. Handle Telegram rate limits by queuing messages and adding retry logic for failures. Add logging to track errors and user actions, and consider incremental features to avoid overwhelming your users.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.